Are you dealing with a nasty, lingering, really dark purple bruise that is unsightly and uncomfortable, and you want an instant resolution? Well, friends, you are in luck, because in today's video, we are going to detail 4 natural ways for you to instantly remedy your bruise. Let's kick off today's video. Welcome back, everybody. I am really excited about today's video because we're talking about all things bruises, bruise healing, bruise management, and bruise reduction. The unsightliness, the tenderness, the swelling localized around the bruise. We're going to dig into 4 steps. If you stay tuned to the very end of the video, I'm going to share with you a freebie download that I have just for you. So let's kick off today's video about bruises. So to begin in your bruise reduction, bruise management, and reduction of swelling around the bruise site, the first thing that you want to grab is tea relief gel. If you are a regular here, thanks for tuning back in. But for all of you new, tea relief gel is my go-to when it comes to swelling reduction, motivating your lymphatics, which is the system that there's part of the system that sits right underneath the skin and is part of your bruise healing routine. This tea relief gel is a topical gel. I apply it on bruises, as you can see here. I apply this very frequently on my bruise to help manage the swelling and reduce the unsightly nature of a really dark bruise. My dogs recently got into a fight, and that's the reason why I have a bruise on my leg. I think one of them accidentally kind of nipped me in my shuffling to try and break up the girls. So anyway, back to bruise management techniques. How you will use the tea relief gel is going to be topically. It comes in this very large bottle. There are smaller options. There's gel. This is a gel, and there's also a cream. To be honest with you, I've been doing this for over 15 years, working with people post-surgically with bruises and all sorts of like oral surgeries and things like that. The gel slides on and goes on easier, and it's faster absorbing. The other thing I like about this bigger bottle is you can use this for everything. So you can use it when you have swelling, you can use it when you have menstrual cramps, you can use it to clear ears, sinus draining. So not only will this homeopathic gel be impactful for your bruise, but this is something you want to have in your medicine cabinet. It's a combination of arnica, which is a really good homeopathic lymphatic motivator. It has a ton of ingredients like homeopathic agnasia and homeopathic ruta and hypericum, a lot of wonderful things. This is a powerhouse. It's an essential item, especially in our household where we have a lot of bumps and bruises with the adults and the toddler in the house. So definitely grab this. Links down below for the tea relief gel. The second thing that you want to grab is a pineapple. So pineapples are great for bruise management because pineapples, fresh pineapples, consuming pineapple juice and eating your pineapple in your daily routine, pineapples contain bromelain. Bromelain is a wonderful enzyme that will help break up the actual density of red blood cells. If you have a bruise and the degree of your bruising, it's really dark purple, black, and then it goes through its phases and ultimately turns into like yellow, blue, kind of greeny gunkiness underneath the skin. The bromelain is an enzyme that activates the swelling reduction and activates your lymphatic system. That lymphatic activation will get these dried red blood cells out from underneath the skin layer and flush out through your lymphatic system, which is why you want to have about a quarter of a pineapple a day. You can eat it fresh. I cube mine up. Sometimes I'll juice. If you have to, you can grab pineapple juice from the store, but definitely you want to consume pineapple and a lot of it to get fresh, enzymatic rich bromelain. Number 3 on my bruising management, and also to help with any type of muscular bruising involvement and to help move swelling and to get, again, the bruise down, I actually recommend reaching for Epsom salt. So I grab this from my bathroom. I always have containers of Epsom salts. We buy these in bulk. I buy about 20 to 30 pounds at a time because we're constantly soaking Gabriel and ourselves in Epsom salts for a multitude of reasons. But with the bruise that I have, and in my management, I actually soak my leg in a bath with Epsom salt. So if you're not a bather or you want to be more localized with your bruise management and Epsom salts application, you can actually grab a container, have maybe 2 cups of water to a 1/4 or 1/2 cup of Epsom salts, And then you can take cotton balls, soak in, and apply on the bruise. That is a good way to manage the swelling and to actually have an infusion topically of Epsom salts. The key with Epsom salts is it's a combination of magnesium and sulfur. That combination, magnesium sulfur, will relax your muscles. It'll calm the swelling. Magnesium will move the swelling and fluid around the bruise to help your lymphatics motivate and clear out that debris. And it also will make your body feel better. It's relaxing, especially in a bath. And if there is any deep contusion, we're definitely involving muscle matter. So the muscle will also be bruised, and sometimes we don't even see that surfacing until weeks after the fact. My fourth and final tip is to grab ginger, turmeric, and a bonus CBD. I actually use the CBD infused, it's a water-soluble CBD, in a ginger turmeric tea. This is wonderful for a few reasons. One, CBD is really good for pain, and this is not your CBD that you get high on, but it's a very beneficial cannabidiol that will help ease pain, it'll block the pain receptivity, and it'll help with swelling. CBD is really good for swelling reduction and easing your muscles and just calming your body, which often if you've had a bruise and you maybe were in a car accident or are post-surgically dealing with bruising, this is very beneficial. It's definitely part of my protocols. The other thing that I love about this tea is it has turmeric and ginger. Both of these are anti-inflammatory herbs, and they are also swelling reducing herbs. So they will help your body reduce the bruising, the swelling, and clear out the discoloration. When you're combining these three, the pineapple, the Epsom salts, and then also the tea, when you're combining these with frequent applications of the tea relief gel, holy cow, you are going gangbusters on eradicating and reducing the swelling and the bruising at the site that we are trying to address. Friends, I have a bonus tip on a freebie download. So I have all of these 4 steps and a bonus number 5 that'll really enhance the lymphatic flow to help support your body. So friends, I hope you consider downloading this free checklist. This is my natural bruise reducer. This is so impactful, and I can tell you in days, you are going to be clear of your bruise. All that's going to be left is just a little yellow, and you're going to be feeling great. So thanks for tuning in. I'm going to encourage you, if you love this type of content, the style of content, and all these resources that I provide, a lot of which are free downloads like my natural bruise reducer, I'm going to encourage you to consider joining my YouTube membership community. I haven't really announced that here, but it's accessible for all of you. Anybody who wants to join, it's $4.99 at the subscribe button. And by the way, if you haven't hit the bell because YouTube is really kind of locking down releasing and notifying my viewers. So if you are a frequent viewer and you're feeling like you're not getting my info, hit the bell. Near the bell, you'll not only see that you subscribe and you've hit the bell, but there will be a join button. All Androids, a lot of the desktops like Chrome, and now even some of the Apple phones, Safari, Firefox, you can see there's a join button. Click that. That's how you gain access to my exclusive private membership community, my natural health resources private YouTube community. We have a wonderful community there. I actually post private videos behind the scenes. You get first access to a lot of the videos before they're released. I do a lot of Q&A. I encourage engagement with my community members and will mention them in a lot of my videos like, hi Lois, we love Lois Lyons, our first community member, and so many more who have joined. And I'm providing a list here of all of my community members because I want to thank you. You encourage me, you support myself and my channel and this growing community in so many wonderful ways. I want to thank you. Full immense gratitude for participating and joining my community and allowing me to bring wonderful, more free content to you in this format. So friends, if you haven't joined, please join now. You're going to have access to so many great things. And there's exclusive recipes and live chats with me and so many other wonderful benefits. I hope you'll consider joining. And until then, friends, thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you on our next video.